In this video, you will learn how to use all the functionalities of the IOPark app step by step and in a simple way so that you can get the most out of it. The first step to be able to use IOPark is to download the app. We will do it through the link that we received in our invitation email once the administrator has registered our user through the website. Once we have installed the app, we will have to log in with the username and password assigned by default in the invitation email we received. The first thing we find as soon as we open the app is the home screen, where all the keys that we have been assigned will appear, as well as those that we have shared. The buttons to open the door or doors that have the IOPark system installed will also appear. To open the door, we will only have to press the corresponding button and wait for the padlock to turn green. At the bottom of the screen, we will have all the options that we have available in the app. In the Building tab, we can find the exact location of the door to which the digital key assigned to us belongs. If we click on the location icon, we can use Google Maps to receive directions on how to get there. In the Keys tab, we can see all the digital keys that we have assigned, as well as those that we have shared at that moment. If we scroll down, we can check the door activity. Those that appear with the dark open door icon are your own keys, and those that appear with this light-colored icon are the shared keys. To share a key, we will only have to click on Direct Keys and select the key we want to share. We click on the Share button on the right side and fill in the information of the person to whom we want to lend our key. Digital keys, by default, will be shared without expiration. If we want this person's access to our garage to be temporary, we will remove the No Expiration check and select a permission time and an expiration time. Finally, in the Profile tab, we can modify configuration options such as our profile photo, the interface language, and whether we want to receive notifications or not. To resolve any questions, we can consult the FAQ section within the Profile tab or send an email to the address support@iopark.s.